Sino nga ba ang mas may edge? Yung magaling sa math at magaling mag-aral or yung mas magaling mag-design? If you're an architecture student or planning to take architecture in the future, you need to listen. Hello Archie Bestie, this is Erica, a fifth-year architecture student who's redoing her thesis, and welcome to my Architalk series again. So for today, we will answer this question: sino nga ba yung mas may edge? Yung magaling sa math or mahilig mag-aral or yung someone na mas magaling mag-design? As someone who enjoys studying, I thought I would have an edge if I were going to take architecture. But I was wrong. Okay, don't get me wrong. Like, masipag ako, may discipline ako. But the thing is, architecture is not just about studying. It's about how use your brain on critical thinking because it's very important when designing spaces. You know what? Designing, it's not just about aesthetics. It's not just about the curves, the lines, how the facade looks like, but it's more of how the spaces flow, yung cultural relevance nun, or maybe it depends on your projects, building typology mo, if aligned ba siya with the National Building Code. So for me, mas may edge yung may discipline, but if nasa choices lang pagpipilian, mathematics or sa design, I think it's design. Because mathematics alone will not give you an edge when it comes to architecture. Because sinasabi ko nga lagi na architecture is about designing spaces and creating spaces for people. So, yun lang.